Once upon a time, there was a cheerful 9-year-old boy named Oliver. He loved reading adventure books, building with blocks, and drawing funny comics. But there was one problem. Oliver never cleaned his bedroom. Every day, his mom would say, "Oliver, please clean your room before you play." "I'll do it later," Oliver always replied. Soon his room became a huge mess. Toys covered the floor, books were everywhere, clothes were piled on the bed, and socks hid under the furniture. One Saturday, Oliver's best friend Noah came over. They wanted to build a giant pirate ship with blocks. But first, Oliver needed his favorite treasure map book. He searched on his desk, under his pillow, in the toy box, and even inside the laundry basket. Nothing. While searching, a smelly sock suddenly fell onto Oliver's head. Noah burst into laughter. "Captain Stinky Sock has arrived," he joked. Both boys laughed so hard they could barely stand. After searching everywhere, Oliver sighed. "I can't find it." His mom smiled and said, "Maybe it's time to clean your room." The boys decided to clean together. They folded clothes, put dirty laundry in the basket, arranged books on the shelf, sorted toys into boxes, and made the bed. While moving the desk, thump! A book fell from behind it. "My treasure map book!" Oliver shouted happily. They had finally found it. Now the room looked bright, clean, and spacious. They had plenty of room to build their amazing pirate ship without stepping on toys. Oliver smiled. Cleaning wasn't so bad after all. It actually made everything easier. From that day on, Oliver spent just 10 minutes every evening putting things back where they belonged. His room stayed neat, and he never wasted time looking for his favorite things again.